Might be 15T.
Oh, 13. One way to find out.
Hey, westbound CSX is coming. Look over to your right.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's on the cold track. 389.
What, the NS or CSX?
NS. 389 south.
Oh, so that's the trash train then.
Yeah. Oh, it's on the cold track. What tank? Oh, it's definitely.
I know them cars are really old. The Johnstown 5 bays.
Oh,
or
yeah.
Jamestown 5 bays. Yeah, they're old.
Oh, yeah. It said M410, but no, it can't be M410. Because M410 is next week. Yeah.
Unless they switch guides around again.
Oh, you know, I don't know. I want to play E7 something.
Kind of nice to see the Y&2s are still around because pretty soon they're going to become non-existent.
Yeah.
The end's already coming up.
Yep. I'm going to go my long range on it.
I gotta turn my long range on. I just gotta remember where the link was.
All of my customers, get a $1 per month trial period at Shopify.com/listen. Go to Shopify.com/listen to take your business to the next level today.
Go to Shopify.com.
What am I going to do with you, Mitch?
I don't know, but let's face facts here on one thing, Philip. We have lost all sense of what to do with you.
That is true.
Exactly.
Now, how long we know each other? Too long.
Gosh, too long. Yeah, that's about right.
Yeah, and also because
Maybe a little bit before that.
yeah, I also got Chris out of Welfare, aka Big Sexy.